What's up, YouTube? So today I am back with another YouTube video. What's up, y'all? So as y'all can see by the title, y'all already know what I'm finna be doing. As y'all can see by the screen recording right now, I don't know why, but it wouldn't screen record whenever I was doing what I'm doing right now, using PixArt to get the background, So I was just showing y'all how I had to go back and redo it all because I didn't show y'all how I did it the first time. So that's how I got all my pictures with no background with some of them, because sometimes PixArt don't work. It won't work all the time. So that's how I did all my pictures. So right now, this is very hard because it messes up. Y'all will see throughout the whole time I'm trying to do this, then it keep messing up, so I have to keep fixing it. I don't really like this one that I made for this video, but I like the first one that I made, because I don't know why I don't like this one for real. It's probably because I didn't have enough pictures or something. It wasn't that full. Y'all see how I keep on having to fix the same thing. Y'all will see through this video, just keep watching. And also, y'all can use how many pictures y'all want. I didn't count how many pictures I used, but y'all can use as many pictures as y'all want. If y'all want it full, if y'all want it not full, if y'all want it to, I don't know. But I like the pictures clumped all together because I think that looks cute. But y'all probably would think otherwise. But yeah, I can make y'all can DM me. Y'all see how the picture keep on, you have to, I don't know how to explain it. If you make one, then you'll understand what I'm talking about. But if you guys want me to make y'all one, then I can make y'all one. All y'all gotta do is DM me on Instagram. My Instagram on the screen. All three of my Instagrams. Matter of fact, make sure y'all follow me on all three of my Instagrams and DM me if y'all want me to make y'all one, because I'll be bored and I will make y'all one. So yeah. Okay guys, so after I got done doing adjusting all the pictures, I saved it to the gallery. I went to my gallery to make sure it was there. Now I'm going back to PixArt so I can put the y'all know the pencil in, I don't know how to say it, I think that's what it's called. So that's basically where I got that. And I changed the effect, the filter, or whatever y'all want to call it, because it looked dope like that way. Period. So this is what I was talking about. You go to PixArt, you tap on sticker, and then you look up pencil advisory or whatever, and you pick whichever one that you want, and you size it how you want it. And sometimes, y'all see how y'all can still see the pink spots. Sometimes people put those diamond things. I tried to look it up, but I couldn't find it. I tried to look for it last time, the first one that I made, but I couldn't find it. So, and I didn't really want to use a diamond emoji, or none of them, because they was too colorful. So, yeah, I didn't put one. I was just looking. But if y'all know where to get that from, then let me know, because sorry guys, when I was recording, somebody was calling my phone. But I was looking for stuff to put, but I couldn't really find nothing, so it was just plain and simple. But I really liked the first one that I made because it was so cute. Like, y'all gonna see it at the end of the video. Y'all gonna see the first one that I made and probably in the thumbnail too. So yeah, guys, so I'm saving that to my gallery, and now I'm gonna go set it as my, well, y'all can set it as y'all home screen if y'all want to, because if y'all, well, y'all didn't get to see it, but whenever you get the size, whatever size you want to make it, then I picked the iPhone XR because I got iPhone XR, but I shouldn't have because it fit like literally the whole screen. You can't see the whole thing, so I didn't set it as my home screen. I left the one that I had as my home screen. So this is the one in the middle is the first one that I made, and I love it, but I don't know about the second one. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below if y'all want a part 2. Peace, Ameerah Squad.